Ehomaki is a sushi roll eaten during Setsubun. According to an old Japanese legend, it purifies evil spirits and brings good luck to the home. This time he will show you how to make an Ehomaki sushi roll called a Happo-Maki sushi roll.
Oh, it's exciting.
If Take-san can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
We wish everyone good fortune this year. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.